list of tools you're going to need. A couple assortment of flathead screwdrivers just to help you prying with stuff, get things off. 15mm wrench, 1/2 inch wrench. I got a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. One of these joints that'll help get into tight spots. 1/2 inch socket, 10mm socket, 8mm socket. Extension, as many extensions you need to get in there as easy as you can. 3/8 inch ratchet. Allen key, I know it's standard size. I actually just found it in a box and it fit. That was actually for the air intake. If you don't have a K&N air intake, you may not even need that. And then just got a cheater bar, help pry on. $10mm socket, bolt right here. Half inch wrench, bolt right up under here. Get that out, roll this out of the way. It'll be in the side of your antifreeze. Pull it straight out. $8mm. $10mm. Take that one out. Move this plug. Tab on the other side. Push it down. Pull it off. Take his hose clamp off, pull the hose off the bottom. Go ahead and drain the fluid out on the right side of the radiator. This little knob. Since I can just put brand new fluid in it, I'm gonna go ahead and try to keep what I had. Unscrew that, empty it down into the bucket. Whenever you turn this, turn it until it starts coming out this hose. That way you can direct it straight into your bucket. If not, this plug will come all the way out. As you can see, I went ahead and spilled most of it on the ground. So don't do like me. Alright, got all the bolts out. Except for this one, and there's one more below your tensioner pulley right here. One here, here, here. And you're going to have right here on the side, one on top of your idler pulley, and you've actually got one below the idler pulley, so don't forget that one. Move to the other side. Got this one loose, as you can see it's bumping into this, so we're going to take that off. Then you have another bolt be here, another one underneath the tensioner, then you've got another one right underneath this water pump pulley, so you're going to have to weasel your way behind the pump, your steering pump, and get that one out. Go ahead and take this off. 15mm socket. Loosen that up. That off. Add that to your parts. Slide these two bad boys out. As you can tell, I left them in the order as they come out on the pump. That way when we put them back, so much more simple. We'll take our screwdriver or something, put up under here. You'll pry this bar out. Leave that hanging. Last thing, stud sticking in here. 15mm wrench. Loosen that. Pull that on out. Now, ready to come off. And there she is. Last piece.